Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to look at 3 meme coins that could potentially 10 to 1,000x your money, and they are indeed in no particular order, but we're going to check it out, guys, amid this consolidation phase here in the cryptocurrency market. So the first one I want to put here is a new coin that is in stealth phase, and I have to put it here just because my community recently gained some, well, pretty decent gains out of it, like over a 3x indeed, and I think it would be quite relevant as well to the political climate that we're in. But just overall, it's nice to see a DEX launch, right? A stealth launch. So let's talk about this first one here. Let's try and make this a quick and easy video as well. So it goes by the name of Chuan, which is basically a Chinese Donald Trump, which is absolutely the Chinese Trump over here. That is absolutely brilliant. Well, we know that Trump recently is reducing hostility for crypto and helping business owners, around the crypto space in America, and overall for American citizens to keep Americans at home and not offshore, right? Their wealth and things. So I want to talk about his Chuan. It's in a stealth phase, but it's already ripped quite nicely. Let my community know earlier in my Discord, and they're now up by 3.5x, which is fantastic to see. Now, the website has not launched yet, the Telegram hasn't launched yet, the Twitter has not yet fully been deployed and marketed yet. So this is just very much, hopefully, the beginning, and it could be absolutely amazing. It really, really could. You can see here from 9 hours ago, $5.6 million market cap, $1.2 million of volume, no website, no TG, no marketing, no listings. And the developers sold absolutely nothing. So could this be the start of the next $100 million to $1 billion market cap meme coin? It really leads you to wonder. So they launched this weekend coming. That's why I thought I would include it to this video. I might as well leave a link down below as well to the charts here if you do want to have a look at it. It's just brilliant. It's very bullish. It's consolidating right now, and it could be gearing itself to go to 0.012 quite soon. So there is Donald Trump in his Chinese fashion. Suits being Chinese, actually, doesn't he? Or, with the red sort of background. Yeah, really cool. Only 282 followers, but doing overall so well. And one of the guys backing this project, his name is, I think, Smart Money Crypto or something. And just really bullish on him because he's got a massive Patreon group with over 1,000 members, and he really serves them. He really works hard for them to make sure they make money, and I trust his word. So this is all based on trust. Anyways, coin number 2 is going to be Turbo, the world's first AI meme coin. Over here, a yellow frog, just like Pepe the frog. You can see ribbit. Over here, Turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation. Inspired by the power of AI, the project's creator turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin with a budget of just $69. Absolutely incredible to see. Here is Turbo on the chart side of things. You can see it's only got about $306 million MC, so it does give it that 10x potential, because some of the top meme coins out there, you're looking at like 3, 5, 10, 15 and $20 billion. I think Turbo could do it. It's got 90% of circulation and supply at 63.6 billion, and it just looks like it could. From a market accessibility point of view, they're still not on Coinbase or Binance, and when Binance is always the big thing to assume here. I think we are in a bit of a corrective phase for this token, and the charts do not scare me. I'm waiting for my entry at 0.0038, and then I'm going to really ape in a lot. If it comes down to that particular target or point of interest, I will be absolutely aping a lot. The last one here is a play to earn token, which also crosses over with meme coin because it's Doge sort of theme, and it's called Play Doge. This is a fantastic new opportunity to get into a 10 to 100,000x opportunity in the markets, where you could potentially flip 1k to 10k or 10k to 100k if you maybe get lucky with this coin here. So of course, not financial advice. This is always high risk, high reward, and you've got to do your own research on these particular tokens. But yeah, $4.2 million raised here for Play Doge. Very, very quickly they are raising indeed, and there's a lot of investor appetite for this one. So Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. Just scrolling through, it's vibrant, it's celestial, it's beautiful, it looks fun and ethereal. It's just like going back in time to the 90s where you got Tamagotchi, because effectively it's a play to earn tokens, so you can earn play tokens from being on the ecosystem. You look after this little dog, you nurture the pet, and yeah, you can earn tokens. You can also play games on board too. So phase 3, phase 4 of the roadmap does hint at a centralized exchange occurring, which could really help drive liquidity and volume to the project to help it do a potential 10 to 100,000x as well, guys. Token distribution 50% for the pre-sale. That's 4.7 billion tokens over there. 9.4 billion tokens is the total over there as well, guys. So really looking pretty good. Yeah, like I say, really colorful, pixelated, sort of 8-bit throwback. Oh yeah, that's so cool. I feel like I need to get my old PC out and load this one up, you know, just to cover this content right here. Anyhow, like I say, pretty cool project here, Play Doge. And if you click here, you can swap between BNB and ERC20. It is natively a Binance Smart Chain token anyway, but it just looks cool. It makes me excited, and it makes me just think, well, could we actually bump higher over here, ladies and gents? Well, maybe so. If we are delving into a bullish Q3 and Q4 of 2024, and if we're, you know, hitting euphoric tops in Q1 of 2025, of course, there's no such thing as a Q5, then, you know, we could still yet to see the top of the meme coin market or the play to earn market. We might be nowhere near the top just yet. So $0.0048 here for Turbo. And yeah, let's just quickly recap. So coin number 1, we had Chuan, Donald Trump, the Chinese Donald Trump over here. Honestly, excited to see what it's going to do. He just doesn't want to dump. It just doesn't shake people out. No whales are selling. It's crazy. And then coin number 2, of course, is Turbo token. Turbo, the meme coin, could do very, very well as well. Holding this coin personally. And coin number 3 is Play Doge, the new 10 to 100x, 10 to 100,000x potential plays earn ICO out here in the crypto space. So it's not yet live, but when it is, you can claim your tokens and then hopefully make some money. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel if you are new here and you do want to hit your cryptocurrency goals and dreams. And all those links are down below. Thanks for watching. See you soon, and bye.